What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing recipe for coffee cake. This is a sour cream coffee cake recipe with a cinnamon walnut topping you're sure to enjoy. This coffee cake is perfect as an afternoon snack to be paired with a tea or a coffee or as a dessert. So let's get started. Starting with the dry ingredients, we're going to mix 2 cups of flour with half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now if you are using salted butter later in this recipe, be sure to only use 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And whisk this all together until it is well combined. Set aside. Moving on to the wet ingredients, we're going to use half a cup of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar. So we're going to add the sugar into the butter. Make sure it is room temperature and softened. That's going to make the creaming much easier. And cream that all together until it is nice and fluffy. And then we're going to add in 2 eggs. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Use the pure vanilla extract and combine this all together until it looks something like this. We're going to add our sour cream using 1 3/4 cups of sour cream. We're going to alternate it with adding the dry ingredients, which was our flour mixture from before. And we're going to mix this all together. Be careful at this stage not to overmix, so put your mixer on low setting, or you can also do this by hand. So again, we're going to add the sour cream and alternate with the flour. Just mix it until it is just combined. And of course it wouldn't be baking without a little bit of a mess. So I switched to a spatula and did the rest by hand, just folding in and scraping down the sides of the bowl to get the flour mixed in. And moving on to our topping, we are going to be using half a cup of brown sugar. To that I'm going to be adding about half a cup of chopped walnuts and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add those nuts right in. Of course you can use any type of nuts you want. And the cinnamon and nutmeg. Mix it until it is well combined. And we are ready to pour the batter into our well-greased cake pan. Today I'm using a bundt cake pan. You can of course use any shape you want. This is a thick batter, so I recommend pouring it in dollops, like you can see here, and then using a spatula to smoothen out the top. Make sure it's nice and even. Just pour half of the batter in and then sprinkle about half of the cinnamon walnut topping. And that's what it should look like. Pour the remaining batter in, once again using dollops and smoothing it out with a spatula. Once that is done, pour the rest of your cinnamon, brown sugar, and walnut mixture over the top. And it should look something like that before you put it into the oven. So I'm going to be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. Of course, depending on the size of your cake pan, you'll want to keep an eye on it to make sure it does not burn. Once our cake has been cooking for about 50 minutes, that is what it should look like. Beautiful topping on top. Use a knife to slice around so you can easily release it from a pan. And gently tap it a few times. There we have it. Should look beautiful golden brown on the bottom. Risen very nicely. And there is our sour cream coffee cake. It's a beautiful crunchy topping of brown sugar and nuts and cinnamon on top. That's what it should look like on the side. I'm going to cut into this to show you what it should look like in the middle. You should be able to see a double layer with that cinnamon walnut topping right in the middle as well. Should be nice and fluffy and soft, and so delicious. Hope you enjoy. All right, our cake just came out of the oven and it's cooled a little bit and it smells so good in the kitchen right now. That cinnamon walnut topping is inside as well, making a beautiful double layer. Okay, I'm so excited. My mouth is watering right now. Gotta get that crunchy topping. This, ooh, it's very soft. The cake is actually very soft and light. Oh, that's cinnamon and walnut. Oh, that's good. So there's a little bit of crunch on top from the brown sugar and cinnamon and the nuts. It's a perfect complement to the moist cake. The sour cream is actually the secret to this cake and what makes it so, so delicious, because it is so soft and light and airy. Oh man, it is so good. You have to try this. All right, so there's our sour cream coffee cake. Give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe and want to see more of these videos. And remember to subscribe, hit that notification button, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.